One time I did one of these meals and I made like a mashed sweet potato and I was like, yeah, I don't like sweet potatoes. And guess what?
It was delicious.
I loved them.
I know.
It's fun to be able to try new things that I wouldn't otherwise do. It gets me out of my comfort zone.
What's awesome about this is you take Taco Tuesday and you turn it on its head, you flip Pizza Friday, and you go a little gourmet. And the best part is, the meals are done in around 30 minutes, so it's not like it takes all night to make a gourmet meal.
Yeah, that could be like the time that it takes to get your pizza delivered. You could have made a delicious homemade meal. Everything comes pre-portioned. I literally have 2 little teeny tiny things of garlic. You have just as much like little chicken stock as you need. The right amount of dried thyme. It's so awesome. Things that you wouldn't normally buy, you're like, what am I gonna do with this huge jar of some random ingredient? But you don't need to waste stuff. You just get exactly what you need. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. What is the worst thing about cooking is having all these dishes to do. So the cool thing about their recipes is they're 2 pans or less, makes cleanup so easy. That's like the thing I dread most is like now I have to face a kitchen full of dishes. That's not the case with HelloFresh.